Hello, today we will guide you through how to create folder in Google Colab. To begin, open Google Colab and make sure you are on the main Colab workspace, often shown as the welcome screen. This is the starting point where you can access notebooks, files, and tools available in your current Colab session. If you are already inside a notebook, that is fine too, as long as you can see the left side panel area. Once you are in Colab, look toward the left-hand navigation panel. In this area, you will see several icons that give you access to different parts of the environment. Find the folder icon and click on it. This opens the file browser, which lets you view the files and directories associated with your current Colab session. This section is useful whenever you want to organize project files, save outputs, or manage datasets more easily. After the file browser is open, move your cursor into the file area and right-click. This action will open a context menu with several options related to file management. If right-clicking does not seem to work right away, make sure your cursor is placed inside the file panel itself and not outside of it. On some devices, you may need to use a two-finger click on a trackpad or the equivalent right-click gesture. From the menu that appears, click on the option labeled New Folder. As soon as you do that, Google Colab will create a new folder in the current location. This is a quick and convenient way to keep your work organized, especially if you are dealing with multiple notebooks, generated files, or uploaded resources. At this point, your folder has been created and is ready to use. You can place files into it later as needed and use it to keep your Colab workspace cleaner and easier to navigate. Creating folders is a simple habit, but it can make a big difference when working on larger projects or when you need to separate files by task or purpose. That's all it takes to create a folder in Google Colab. As a helpful tip, remember that Colab sessions can be temporary depending on how you are working. So if the files are important, be sure to save or back them up appropriately. Thanks for following along, and that is how to create a folder in Google Colab.